Hi everyone and welcome back to the Patriot Awning channel. Are you dreaming of enclosing your space with a retractable screen system? Maybe you're a restaurant owner looking to turn more tables and expand your outdoor dining area. Maybe you're just a homeowner seeking bug protection, shade, or even just a little bit of privacy. We have seen all these beautiful motorized systems with remotes and thought that's the way to go. But before you spend your hard-earned cash, let's explore the benefits and the liabilities of both systems. This is a longer video, and you'll find that it does indeed have chapters so you can easily navigate the information. So let's get into it.
We want the truth!
You want the truth? You can't handle the truth.
Today we're going to dive into the world of outdoor screen enclosures, specifically comparing the popular motorized systems to a less talked about but incredibly effective alternative, a classic rope and pulley system. We call this system our Betsy Ross, but in one form or another this system's been around for hundreds of years. We'll show you where the motorized system may be a better option or why the Betsy Ross curtain system, complete with its zippers and a simple pipe at the bottom, may be the smarter, more practical choice for your outdoor patio or your restaurant patio enclosure. Now, don't get us wrong, motorized screens can be impressive. They look sleek and the remote control offers a certain wow factor. But beneath that high-tech facade, there can be a lot of potential issues. Motorized moving parts. Motors work with electricity. For this, in most cases, you'll need to wire in electrical boxes and power them. This can be a cost associated with a clean install, should be performed by licensed electricians. The motors don't pull a lot of power, but you may need a circuit or two depending on how many you install. What if the power goes out? You'll have to wait for it to come back on in most cases. Unlike the retractable awnings we sell, these curtains typically don't come with a manual override. While these motors can last for decades, installing a new motor can run north of $2,000 on a motorized screen. The screen would need to be entirely disassembled to install a new motor. Do you got recessed tracks? Maybe the screen is hidden inside a header in your home? Well, it'll need to be torn apart to be serviced. After that, trim boards reconstructed and painted. Some motors come with obstacle detection, some do not. If the curtain doesn't, it could close on a dog or a small child, or maybe you left that chair out. The curtain closes on that chair, the fabric could jam up in the roller tube. And it'll be time to make a service call, get the boys who sold the job back out for repair. Clear windows and motorized systems. Restaurant owners, y'all love those clear windows. They want them as big as possible to show off the packed patio with people enjoying their meals under the rope lights. Everybody wants the clear until they get the clear. The problem with clear windows is this. Clear fabric isn't a fabric at all, it's a film. The clear comes in many different qualities, thicknesses, and available in both sheet and a roll. None of it's completely dimensionally stable. Sheet clear is more dimensionally stable. All of it can be sticky when it's hot. All of it hates Scotch tape. Stop taping signs to those clear windows, restaurant owners. Another thing about the clear windows, and this is so important, so listen carefully. The most popular clear used on these motorized systems comes off a roll. Most of the time it's 30 or 40 gauge extruded double polished clear. When it comes off of a roll and it's not a sheet, all of it, I mean all of it, shrinks 3 to 8%. When you have a captured side system and it shrinks against those captured sides, then guess what happens? It gets yammed up in those tracks and it's time to call a professional. Hopefully the professional that did it doesn't mind coming back out and service them, because we get a lot of calls that they've disappeared. They're not willing to come back. Also, read your warranty. More likely, if you've got clear, it's a disclaimer saying there is no warranty when using clear. The bottom line is this. Motorized screens are not all bad. Well, they're not all good either. It depends on the fabric used, depends on how you're using it. If you're a restaurant owner wanting to enclose a patio and you want a motorized screen, consider using a dense mesh fabric that can retain some heat. You can still see in if it's dark outside and light inside. You'll be less likely to have to call a professional if the curtains get jammed up in the tracks. If you have an area that's hard to reach, you like gadgets, you want something that disappears when not in use, or you like the sleek, elegant design of these systems, they're the way to go. And it'll outshine our Betsy Ross system any day of the week. The classic solution that's been around for hundreds of years, the Betsy Ross curtain enclosure.
If we stay here much longer, she'll have me sewing flags like Betsy Ross.
This is where our classic rope and pulley system shines. It's a manual operated curtain system with large YKK number 10 double pull zippers. This system can operate either with ropes and pulleys or by manually rolling it up and down with a pipe sewn into the bottom of the curtain. Check out this video if you want to see how it works. Number 1, no motorized parts, less moving parts. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. No motors, no remotes, no intricate gearing or obstacle detection to worry about. You're in complete control, and there are no electrical components that can break down. 2, no problematic captured sides. This system avoids the captured side dilemma altogether. While the sides are captured by a zipper, there isn't a track for the curtain to get caught in. 3, lower cost of ownership and simplicity. The initial investment is about 60% lower compared to a motorized system. Plus, with fewer parts, the chances of costly repairs are drastically reduced, meaning more money in your pocket for enjoying your outdoor space. What about the clear? With our Betsy Ross system, if a clear window panel shrinks, it's a whole lot easier to fix. The individual curtain can come back here and we could just replace the clear, or we could add more material to the width of the curtain by using ketter or pulling out some stitching and using some extra fabric. There are also ways to mitigate the clear shrinking. We do this by letting the clear acclimate to being off the roll. We leave it out over the weekend, let it pre-shrink. There are other methods that we use. I can't get into that here on YouTube. Top secret trade secrets that we don't want to put out there. Don't mind telling you in person, but we can't get onto that here in YouTube. We can also use Strataglass clear sheets, which is a lot more dimensionally stable than anything that comes off a roll. It's a huge upcharge for that. Pricing for that stuff is insane. Another thing we've done with success is using mesh material as a window. And then on the inside of the curtain, using an industrial 2-inch Velcro so that the clear panels can be removed and put back on. We even make a bag. These are numbered so that you could put them back up and take them down pretty easily, store them in a bag for the season. It's a whole lot less expensive than an entire new system, just buying new clear. Getting new clear panels made is much less expensive than an entire new system. So which one wins? Our Betsy Ross versus a motorized system with captured sides? Patriot Awning, we're a full-service awning manufacturer located in Charlotte, North Carolina. We can manufacture a custom enclosure to meet your needs. Either one, it doesn't matter. The purpose of this video, we want you to be an informed customer. Our sales team will be able to help guide you to make a decision that best suits your needs and expectations, regardless of the direction you want to go. Our sales team will never hard sell you or pressure you to make a decision. There's nothing worse than a customer with buyer's remorse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments which system you think is best for your outdoor space. We really do appreciate you helping to make our YouTube channel a success. We will see you next time.
Bring it again!